Filters down to 5 microns. Premium replacement for EVA water filter housing. Easy to install. Premium carbon to absorb volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Contains KDF and GAC, granulated activated carbon. Filtration begins with water traveling through a porous shell with openings no greater than 5 microns in diameter. Filtered water then passes through a bed of KDF and GAC, granulated activated carbon, for further filtration and bacteria control. Contains premium carbon with a high microporosity level for absorbing harmful VOCs, volatile organic compounds. Designed as a premium replacement cartridge for Camco's EVA water filter housing. Not designed for fish tanks or ponds. No testing has been done for this purpose. Top reviews from the United States. Easy as pie. The last RV park we visited had sand in the water. It clogged up our filter and our faucets so bad that water sprayed everywhere. I am no mechanic and figured we were in for another expensive trip to the shop, but just this once I got brave and unscrewed the big blue canister thing the hose hooked up to. Inside I found the filter, plugged up with enough sand to make my own beach. I could read the name on the filter, and lo and behold found the exact match on good old Amazon. It arrived right away as usual, and the directions were easy enough even I could understand them. In she went, screwed the blue thing back on and voila! Clean water again. I got another one for next time.